Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the panel and compatible blade on your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You may also want to have a soft cloth for cleaning purposes. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the repair. Once unplugged, place the appliance on a stable surface. First, we will remove the base panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws at the bottom of the Thermomix. Carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base panel off. Next, we will access the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the appliance using a soft cloth. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Thermomix. If you notice any wear or damage, it might be a good time to consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. Now let's focus on the blade. To remove the blade, locate the central screw that holds it in place. Using the flathead screwdriver, carefully unscrew this central screw. Once removed, gently lift the blade out of the bowl. If you are replacing it with a compatible blade, ensure it is properly aligned before securing it back in place. After replacing the blade, it's time to reattach the base panel. Align it carefully and replace the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the panel. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Once the base panel is back in place, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and test the new blade. Ensure it operates smoothly and without any unusual noises. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Finally, give your Thermomix a thorough clean on the outside to keep it looking as good as new. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your appliance and enhance your cooking experience. In summary, replacing the panel and compatible blade on your Thermomix TM31 is a straightforward process that can be done with a few simple tools. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember that we provide a service with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your appliance repaired without hassle. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.